Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Sumit and I'm here with my new video in Einstein Analytics or Tableau CRM. And the topic for today's video is I will be going to show you the new updates which have been released by Salesforce in Einstein. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed it yet, do that right now. And if you want to know the complete information about the dashboard updates, do watch this video till end. So as you know that Tableau CRM will be using dashboards in order to visualize the data. We can use dashboards in order to visualize the data or to show the data, to show the outputs to the end users, to the target audience. And in on a dashboard, we can add multiple widgets, we can create multiple queries, and we can create a rich visualizations by using dashboards. So recently, Salesforce released few updates in Tableau CRM dashboards. So this video is about saying that what updates have been released by Salesforce on the dashboards. So let's begin with this. Let me show you the dashboard which I have prepared for demonstration purpose. So there will be so recently I found two updates on the Salesforce dashboards. So I'll tell you both the updates one by one. The first update is whenever I open a dashboard, let me open a dashboard which I have prepared earlier. So this is a sample dashboard I have prepared. And in this dashboard, if all of you remember, so there is one link, there's an option called link. There's a widget called link, and the purpose of this widget, those who have gone through my previous videos in Tableau CRM, in that I have explained about the widget, the different widgets we have, and there is one widget called link widget. And the purpose of this link widget is to link to another page or to a URL or to a component or to a dashboard or to a new lens. So as you can see, we have an option. We can link by clicking on this button or by clicking on this link. We can open lens, dashboard, new lens, URL, page in a component, page in layout, or we can perform some mass actions. So this is the actions we can perform by using this link. But now recently, the Salesforce has incorporated the same feature on the widgets also, especially the chart widget on the table. So when I click on the chart widget here, you can see previously we used to get only two options were there, and those two options were widget and query. But recently you can see a new option has been incorporated that is called interaction, and this interaction will be similar to the link. Let's have a look. How is it? How can we use this interaction? So I select this widget, I select this chart widget, and when I click on interaction, it will give me an option to create an interactions. I click on create interactions and we can perform an action. So event will be click event or select event. As you can see, we have two events, click event or select event. If I just click what action I just want to perform. So I just want to navigate to a dashboard, or I want to navigate to a URL or a page in layouts or dash. Okay. So for example, if I want to if I want to navigate to a different page, so as you can see, I've got three pages, and my requirement is whenever I click on this, I would like to navigate to page two. So I click page in layouts and I want to navigate to page two and click on apply. And let's test it now. So right now we are on page one, and as soon as I click on this, it will redirect me to page two. It will take me to page two. Let me do it again. I click on this chart, and it redirects me to page two. This is the interaction. Now instead of the click, if I change this to select, then what happened? Let's see. I just change this to select and preview. When I click here, you can see nothing happened. But when I select a value, it will redirect me to page two. So basically, this functionality will be very helpful if you want to see if you want to see more information, or we want to further drill down to a particular selections we have made, and it will be redirected to another page or a dashboard or a lens or to a particular URL. So this is the first feature which has been incorporated in Tableau CRM dashboard. Now the second feature, if you look at very carefully here, the second option, the second feature, if you can see, this is a section where we can add queries. And if you can see on most of the queries, you can see there's a clock symbol is coming up, timer symbol is coming up. So what exactly these symbol indicates? because we were not getting these kind of symbols previously, but now we are getting these symbols in the updated dashboards. Actually, these symbols means these queries are not these queries have been not queried, or these queries are not used since long. So therefore, these queries considered to be as in a not be I will call not as a dead mode, but these queries will be landed in the sleep mode. And if you want to activate this query, if you want to use these queries, we have to click and say start again. Now, for example, if I drag and drop this query here somewhere on a dashboard, let's suppose I just drag this dashboard, I drag and drop here, and you can see this again, the symbol change, and it becomes active again. So that means this query will be used, but see, it's waiting to open it's waiting here. So what I have to do here, when I click on, we click on, so it's better to click on start and then use it. So we click on start and then we use this lens. So it will render faster. Okay. So what we'll do, it's better to you can say it's better to uh, start it first, click on start and then use it. Now, what's the purpose of this functionality? The purpose of this functionality is, as you know, that on a dashboard we can add multiple queries, and most of the queries will not be queried for a long time or will not be used for a long time. And and still those queries will be loaded in the memory, so it will impact the performance of a dashboard. So improve the performance, or to increase the performance of a sale of a Einstein dashboard, this feature has been incorporated. So whichever query will not be used for a long time, or it's not associated with any of the widget on a dashboard, so Einstein will automatically put those query in a sleep mode, and whenever we want to use it or reuse it, we have to start it and then we can use that. So these were the two new updates has been released by Einstein Salesforce Tableau CRM on Einstein dashboard. So I hope this information will give you more understanding about Tableau CRM. If you have any comments, you can post your comments in comment box. You can reach out to us on the given email, or you can visit our website for more updates. If any one of you have any requirement on, if you require any customized training on Salesforce or Einstein or Tableau CRM, you can reach out to us on the given numbers. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Goodbye.